Hi art friends, in this video we're going to be drawing the Fall Guy from the game Fall Guys. We've been playing that a bit lately, so we thought we'd make a drawing video. So all you need to do to follow along is get something to draw with, like a marker or a pen, some paper and some creativity. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start drawing our Fall Guy. I think he's quite an easy character, he's a bit of a blobby character. I think let's draw his face first. I think that's probably the easiest part. It's just one big circle on the top of his head. So let's draw that. Awesome. And then let's draw his eyes up just two kind of ovals there. Alright, so now let's draw the top of his head. So we're going to draw a line starting probably at the same level as his eye. And it's going to be a little bit thinner on this side, and then we're going to go nice big curve on the other side. It's going to be a little bit thicker there because it's that side is a little bit closer. So let's start here and go around. I'm just going to make a stop there because on each of these points I'm going to draw his arms. Alright, so let's draw an arm on this side. I think what I'm going to start is doing a nice big curve and stop about there. Yeah. And then what we're going to draw, just at the end of that curve, I'm going to draw another, almost like a bit of a U shape. So that's one finger. And then in between the gap, I'm going to draw another line there, and that's kind of his other finger there. Yep. And then all I'm going to draw is another little bump this way, the other way, and it's his thumb. And then we'll just draw another little line carrying up, and we'll stop about there. Now let's draw the rest of his body so that it continues down here behind his arm, and we'll go draw a line down there, and it's got a little curve to his bottom, and we'll stop there. And underneath that we'll draw his feet later, and then we'll draw another little line. We're going to leave a little gap there and draw another line here like this. Yep, and then we're going to leave another little gap, and we're going to draw a similar curve going up here like that. And we're going to stop about there as well, because then we're going to draw the other arm on the other side. Alright, so let's draw the other arm. So we're going to do a nice big curve just like on the other side. And we're going to go to about here. Doesn't have to be a perfect shape, they're a bit of a blobby character, so you can draw it when you like. Yep, and then we're going to draw another little U there, so it's kind of like his thumb. And then we draw another line here with a slight curve joining the body, and that's the arm on the other side. Alright, now we've got these two little gaps here, so I'm going to draw his feet. So I'm going to draw, let's draw this foot here, that's the one that's going to be in the front. And I'm going to draw a little curve down at there. It's got a pretty flat bottom foot. And up like that. It's a bit of a blobby shape. Yeah, and then we'll do similar on the other side. This foot here goes a little bit behind the other foot. That helps you create some perspective. Like that. Alright, so the next part is to colour in. Yeah, and the great thing with Fall Guys is they come all different colours and you can have patterns, so we're going to colour these in, and we're going to fast forward and we'll be back soon. Alright, and we've finished colouring in our characters, and I've coloured mine in orange, which is my favourite colour, and you've done yours? Blue, yeah. And the good thing about the Fall Guys is when you're creating a character, you can create all different colours, and you can get different skins and patterns, and our character we have a little tie that he wears. I think that looks pretty cute. And we've added some white in there as well for some highlights and darkened the lines and added some shadows. So there you go, that's our character, and you can colour it in any way you want. You can create patterns and different designs on it. It's really up to you to customise it your own way. Alrighty, hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our Fall Guy characters. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos for you to follow along and enjoy. See you next time, bye!